Hi, I'm Mark Green, and I'm about to embark on a restoration of this bench top. But first, I'm going to get some help from an expert.
Hey, hi. Yeah, likewise, come on in. Okay, Jay, I want to paint this bench top.
Okay.
How hard is that to do? And how do I do it? What products do I use?
Okay, so first up, you need a good clean down. You can use Resene interior paintwork cleaner in the shop that you can use just to clean all the food marks or anything that's still on there. Then you can use sort of wet and dry sandpaper just to kind of degloss and sort of scuff up the surface. You're not trying to go through what's there, just give it a light rub. Primer-wise, we've got a primer called Resene Waterborne Sureseal. It's obviously in the name, it's waterborne, so it's going to dry fairly quickly. Over the top of that, we've got Resene Quick Dry Primer Undercoat, which will just uniform the surface, make it all sort of white, so that if you go in a lighter colour, this bench top colour doesn't bleed through. And then it's just picking the best product to go on top, which is Resene Uracryl, which is a two-part product, so you're going to have to mix it together. Let it sit for half an hour before applying it. But then that will be much more hard wearing. It's going to have a bit of a smell to it, but it will be just provide much more protection for when you're actually using the kitchen.
Well, there you have it. Painting a bench top is possible. This DIY project has definitely made the greatest impact within the kitchen. Taking the bench top from charcoal grey to Resene Alabaster has lightened the kitchen, and it's given us the aesthetic that we were after.